Welcome back. It's Dr. Jen Ferboni, better known as DocJenFit, your doctor of physical therapy. And I want to give you 2 specific exercises that are going to help with reducing those ankle strains and rolling your ankle that might happen. Now, rather than just having a strong and stable ankle, we want to make sure that our foot and ankle complex is also able to respond to the environment around us. And so we're going to do more reactionary type exercises where we have a ball that we're tossing. So the first one, and when it comes to balance, the other thing that I really like is that we're not just working the foot and ankle complex, but you're also working the entire body because your hip is having to stabilize, your core is having to stabilize, and your trunk. So it really becomes like a full body exercise for that ankle to really work even harder. So we're going to do balance exercise, standing on one leg. Preferably you are barefoot, not socks that are hugging your toes and not any shoes that are disrupting your feedback to the ground. So barefoot is best for these exercises. I just have a tennis ball here. Now, I will admit, growing up as a gymnast, my hand-eye coordination is not the best, so you might laugh at me throughout this video a little bit as well. So you're going to start, spread your toes, get a good grip balance on the floor. We're going to start in a single leg. Make sure you feel comfortable here in this balance, okay? Can you just stand? Can you move around your arms? Do you feel good? This might be where you need to start. If you feel comfortable, you're going to start to toss the ball. Okay, maybe you're going in different directions and tossing the ball over here, toss the ball up and down over here, and starting to see and play with moving your gaze and your body in different positions as you're balancing and stabilizing on that foot. And then the next exercise, if you feel comfortable and you're ready to progress, you're going to actually bounce the ball. And I want you to go in different positions and kind of have to bend the leg and reach and grab for it. So wherever you're going, your ankle is now having to respond, but you're also using, again, that entire body, moving that foot and ankle in different positions. Okay. Now, here's where the big challenge part comes on. I have a foam pad here. And clearly we use it. So if you feel a little more comfortable, you're ready to progress, stand on a foam pad. Again, start with just balancing. Do you feel comfortable? You're not locking out the knee. We always have a slight bend in the knee. Do you feel comfortable just standing here and feel safe that you're not going to fall over? If so, can you start to just toss the ball? Toss it in different directions. Let's see how I do. And then the real test then is now going to be bouncing on the ground. So can I bounce on the ground and catch? Woo! Already starting to lose my balance. And maybe the ball gets away from you like it did for me. But maybe you're doing it for about 30 seconds to a minute, okay? You can count more of time or have a timer that so you don't have to count how many throws you're doing or anything. So maybe we do a couple minutes on one side, couple minutes on the other side, and you're starting to build that strength through that stability. So we start to become more aware of what our foot and ankle is doing in our environment. So we prepare it for the world outside. Don't forget, if you love what you're learning, I have so much more in stock for you. So hit that subscribe button, check out the other videos I've done in the past, and leave any comments of any suggestions that you have for videos in the future. And I can't wait to help you feel incredible and amazing within your body.